navigate to Chrome and then Settings. Click on Appearance and then Customize your toolbar. It's going to give you a list of items that you can change in your toolbar. Those little toggle buttons on the right. So you can go through each of those if you want to add a little icon. In this case, we're going to look at Translate. Notice in the upper right, that Translate icon goes away when we turn it on and turn it off. And now create QR code, turning on and turning off. Notice that QR icon shows up in our address bar. And just as an example, if we were to go to the SPSD website, and if we wanted to share that website with someone, any website you have in your address bar, as long as you have that QR code icon activated, if you click on that, it's going to return a QR code that you can screenshot, you can download, you can copy. I typically just like to screenshot that and then paste it into a program of your choice. So here we'll just do a quick screenshot and we'll jump into Google Slides. Create a blank slide, paste in the QR code, and project it as a slideshow, and then anyone in the room can use that QR code to access the content that you're looking to share.